Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a live stream event to your website using the Wix editor. This is a fantastic way to engage your audience in real time, whether you're hosting a webinar, a product launch, or a live Kanda session. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your website settings and configurations. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings you have. This is important because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to add your live stream event. If you manage multiple sites, double-checking this now will save you time later. Once you've confirmed you're working on the right website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, start by locating the Add Element button and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the customization options available for your site. The Add Element window will expand, and from here you'll see a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use and add to customize your website. From this list of elements, locate the Video and Music option and click on it. Now, under the video elements, you'll see various Wix video layouts. Choose the layout you wish to use and drag it onto your website canvas. Keep in mind it might take a bit of time as the video element starts its installation, so be patient while it loads. Once the video element has been added, click on it. The settings menu will appear on the top part of your screen. Click on it and a small window will pop up. From that small settings window, click on Manage Videos. This will bring up the video dashboard where you can configure your live stream settings. From the video dashboard, click on Livestream on the left navigation menu. You'll be presented with two options, Schedule Event or Go Live Now. For this tutorial, we'll use the Schedule Event option, which gives you the flexibility to plan your content in advance. Click on Schedule Event to continue. From here, start by filling up all the details of your live stream. Enter the date and time for your live stream schedule, making sure to account for your audience's time zone if necessary. Add video info such as title, publisher, categories, tags, and description. These details help viewers find and understand your content better. Scroll down for further customization options. From here, you'll see the video pricing section that you can set as either free or paid, depending on your monetization strategy. Then, add viewers options and download options from the drop-down menus. These settings control who can watch your stream and whether they can download it afterward. Once everything is configured to your liking, click on Save. All you have to do now is prepare for the set live stream date and create your content. And there you have it. You've successfully added a live stream event to your Wix website, giving you a powerful tool to connect with your audience in real time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.